Ladies and gentlemen, how is it going? My name is Joseph Ingram, and it is currently June 11th. And today I want to mark the official start of my trading career. I am going to attempt to trade Forex, stocks. So we got Oanda, Webull, and we've got futures, which is Tradevate. I'm also going to do some other stuff on the side, of course, but I just want to mark today as the official start date, the official grind date. So we'll see where I am 6 months or a year from now. Let's go, baby. Let me just tell you guys know, just to mark it, just to make sure y'all know. No jokes. Currently I have the dollar index open on Yahoo Finance. It's currently the 9:42, so nothing is really popping off. I'm really waiting till like 5 o'clock in the morning, but we're grinding it out, baby. Euro, US dollar. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is Joseph, and it is currently 11:13, and we are trading Euro, US dollar. Currently at a trade of 35,000 units at 107.54. Yes sir. Also trading some stocks. And we have SoFi currently, and we have Blue Apron. Both performing pretty well. Apron's falling kind of short today, but we'll see how it performs tomorrow in the morning. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is currently 12:38. Still in the trade. It's been a minute. We are currently let's see. We are $25.90 so far in the trade, and we are, let's see how many pips. 55. So far we've moved 8 pips. It's looking pretty good. I'm watching the dollar index. It's currently falling, so that means the euro should be rising. Yep. It's gonna take a while though. Probably gonna do some little back and forth trades too in a minute. Actually, you know what? I got till 2 o'clock because the market is actually gonna close. So, well, it's not gonna close, but it's gonna one of the markets is gonna close. It's gonna affect it. But yeah, so far so good. Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It is Joseph Ingram here. Back with another video. It is currently 10:49 on Tuesday, the 13th of June, and currently we are $100 in profit. I just opened up another trade. I think it's going to move to the downside, and so far I've seen the dollar index rise at a support. So in that case, the dollar value should rise, and the euro should fall. And we got a nice little sell order in here, so I'm hoping to cop about maybe 30-40 pips or so. We'll see how long the dollar index keeps rising. Dollar's been falling so far over the monthly, so yeah, been on a downtrend, so I don't expect this thing to fall too far, but yeah, so far so good. $100 in profit. We'll see where we end up by the end of the day. Been watching the trades on my phone all night. Couldn't really sleep. Can't sleep when it comes to that paper. You guys know what I'm saying. We don't really got any major news today either. The only major thing that came out today was the consumer price indexes for Europe. Germany, sorry, not Europe. Germany, and I believe it came out for the European Union as well. And this morning we had inflation rates, core inflation rates, and the consumer price index for the US as well. But that information hasn't really affected the price as much. So we'll give it a minute. We're gonna wait. We're gonna sit here all day, get this bread, and yeah, we'll see where we are in a minute. I haven't really started trading any futures yet, but I'm thinking of trading the either E-mini S&P 500, which is at $5 a move, or maybe the micro S&P 500, which is like $1 a move. One or the other, we'll figure it out. But yeah. But just to keep track, we are currently at 107.88 at 35,000 units, which is $3.50, and we're in a sell position. I have a take profit over here at 68. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how it goes. Let's make sure the dollar index is rising. It is rising. Another thing I am paying attention to is we have the US 10-year federal treasury note that we have to pay attention to, because people use this to hedge against the US dollar. So when the US dollar actually goes up in value, they'll actually start buying into US treasury notes. Actually, I'm sorry, when the US dollar drops in value, they'll start buying into 10-year treasury notes in order to cover, for their losses, just in case. They do the same thing with gold. As the price of gold drops, the price of the US dollar rises. As the price of gold rises, the US dollar is dropping. That's just how it works. They use it to hedge against one another, and that's actually an easy way you can predict where these trends go when you trade currency. So again, for example, trading euro US dollar, I'm going to sell. I'm expecting the euro to fall against the US dollar. That is supplied with information from the dollar index, because the dollar index is currently rising. The price of gold, let's get it. Oh, the website just went down apparently. But the price, let's check the price of treasuries. Price of treasuries is currently up, but I am expecting a fall any minute now, since the US dollar is overall rising against the euro. Let's see if I can refresh the gold. Can't refresh the gold, but if I go to another thing, yeah, so the price of gold currently is down, and that is because the US dollar is beginning to rise. So it's all about hedging, y'all. Same thing with actually the futures market as well. As this rises, more than likely other instruments are likely to fall. So it really depends. You have to look at a lot of factors, along with like the economic calendar, and specifically what country's currency you're working with, and there's just so much that goes into it, so much. But yeah. But ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, this is just a short trade vlog I wanted to make. I don't really have anything planned for today, so it's just a little update, but just to let you guys in on what I am currently working on. So yeah. But with that being said, just a quick little update, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As usual, we have stuff coming in the future, stuff planned. I'll probably explain it to you guys in the next video, but with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's Joseph Ingram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.